If you love Bounty chocolate or coconut and chocolate combination, then this cake is for you. I am making a Bounty cake today. It's so delicious and melts in the mouth. First of all, mix grated coconut with condensed milk until it's able to form a dough-like consistency so we can use it later as a cake layer. Now spread the coconut layer as shown here and set in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. I have mixed some milk and coconut cream together to soak my chocolate cake layers. You can skip this step. Now spread some chocolate ganache and then place the coconut layer and spread the ganache on top of it also. Then place the chocolate cake layer on it and crumb coat it with chocolate ganache and store it in the fridge for 2 hours or so. Now it's time for final coating and decoration, for which I have mixed 300 grams of dark chocolate with 200 milliliters or whipping cream and whipped them together to form this chocolate frosting. Now cover the cake with this frosting and decorate however you like. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next one.